Hi, my name is David Chan. I'm the Research and Technology Officer within the UniSA Connect team. So my role is look at new technology and show it to my team, and in return they show it to our high school students and teachers in the education sector. Try to get people excited. If I'm excited about it, then the rest of the people should be. 3D printer is like a hot glue gun. So basically it's laying layers of hot glue and to form a three-dimensional shape. It's like building a cake. So for example, over here we got some three-dimensional object that's printed by the printer. That is printed in a material that glow in the dark, plastic. You can print in biodegradable plastic, you can print in wood, you can print in bamboo, and also flexible rubbery plastic, like for example this Rhino. There are printers that can print in metal, you can print in aluminium, stainless steel, bronze, copper. There are printers on the market that can print edible food. So you can print your own customized chocolate cake or chocolate biscuit. We have a 3D scanner, so we can scan a person's head. What the scanner do is that taking multiple image of the object, and once it's done, we send to the computer. The computer will process all the image and stitch it into a three-dimensional object. And by then, we can clean the object, and from there we send it to the printer that it can reproduce the object itself. Well, we run two types of workshops, one for high school kids and the other workshop is professional development for teachers. The workshop for high school kids is to introduce them into CAD design. So we have an online web-based CAD package that students get involved in, and from that the printer just print exactly what they created. CAD package is online, it's free. They can go at home and open their own account, and on the computer they can continue develop their CAD skill. And if they wish to, they can download their design from home, bring it back to school, and they can reproduce their design on the 3D printer to actually have a look at it. Students have that kind of ownership. When they create something in a virtual environment, you're talking about customization. 3D printer allows you to do that. It's empowering the learning outcome for the students. If you are teachers attending our workshop, we will show you some of the things that 3D printing could be utilized in your curriculum, your class, and how you engage your students. If teachers come along and they have their own printer in their school, we are more than happy to go down there and give them training. The teachers and students always say that they could not believe what they have done, and it's very exciting on the fact that they design something and actually hold it in their hand and acknowledge the fact that this can be done. Hopefully the skill that they learn allow them to look further and improve their understanding, and also there's plenty of support available to give them a hand.